Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will calculate national income by value added method. Statement is given. In this statement we have to calculate GDP at MP by value added method or by income method. Additional method income. So let us start with value added method. First of all, value added method. Value added is equal to value of output by all producing unit minus value of intermediate consumption by all the production units. Value of output that is given by primary sector, value of output by primary sector plus secondary sector plus tertiary sector. Primary sector value of output that is 1000 plus 900 plus 700, which is equivalent to 2600. Then value of intermediate consumption is given by primary sector, secondary sector or tertiary sector. Primary sector plus secondary sector plus tertiary sector. Primary sector 500 plus 400 plus 300, that is equivalent to 1200. So value added is equal to value added or GDP at MP is equal to 2600, value of output by all the producing unit minus value of intermediate consumption by all the producing units, that is equivalent to 1400. So this is the calculation of value addition by value added method. Next we have to, in the same statement, the components of income method is also given and we have to calculate GDP at MP by income method. Second one is income method. We know that the components of income method are: number 1, compensation of employees; number 2, operating surplus; number 3, mixed income. Now let us see how many items are given. Number 1, compensation of employees, that is 400. Operating surplus is also given, that is 300. If operating surplus is given, then no need to take the components of operating surplus such as rent, interest, profit, etc. That would not be taken into account. Then mixed income, that is 650. This is equivalent to 1350, and we know that by the summation of compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income, we get NDP at FC. Now we have to calculate GDP at MP. For the calculation of GDP at MP is equal to, recently we have calculated NDP at FC. If we add depreciation to this net value, then we can calculate gross values. And if we are at factor cost and we have to find out market price, and we are also including net indirect taxes in this NDP at FC, so that we have to calculate GDP at MP. The value of NDP at FC, that is 1350, plus the value of depreciation is given 30, and the value of net indirect taxes, that is last value 10th, that is 20. So this is 1400. 1400 is the value of GDP at MP. One logic is there. If we have to calculate national income by any method, either by income method or expenditure method or value added method, if you have to calculate income method, then answer will be same. Same logic is here. We have to calculate GDP at MP by value added method or GDP at MP by income method also. So the answer is same, 1400 crore rupees. So in this way we can calculate numericals regarding national income. Do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to value addition numericals. Thanks.